Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. It's morning, I'm out doing a little solo camp. I saw something at the grocery outlet that I thought I would give it a try. It's it was a can of Maxwell House Mocha. 99 cents. So I thought I'd give it a shot, see how it tastes. So here's a closer look at it. Alright, let's give this mocha a try. It's actually the first time I'm ever having it, so. It's not bad actually. Could have been a little hotter, but it's fine. Yeah, I like that. That's good. Just right out of the container. Didn't have to do anything different to it. Didn't have to add anything to it either. Coffee drink mix. Yeah, I like it. Good stuff. We'll get again. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to get my breakfast going. So that mocha was so good, I decided to make another cup. So, using the last of my water. I could go filter, but I'm not planning on staying much longer, so I probably won't need to. All out. There I go. I had enough for last night and for this morning, so. Too busy working on tearing my shelter down. I forgot I had water going. I'll stop boiling hard, so it's all good. Nice. Cheers. And that is really good. Yeah, that's going in my pack for sure. Alright, as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.